Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. This is Dot. My channel is Mrs. DLC. If you are subscribers, thank you for coming back. If you are new, welcome, and I hope you enjoy this video and some of the other ones I have listed. If you find it in your heart, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Today, I am swapping out of my Coach Savannah, and I am swapping into my Coach Lana,
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
which is the size 23. Do know that these are two different sizes, so I am not going to be able to use all of the items I have in here in my Lana, but I'm going to see what it is I can carry with not missing any of my essentials. So I'm going to kind of do a what's in my bag, what's coming out of my bag, I guess that is. And then we'll start to swap out. So if you've seen some of my earlier videos, I do like this Savannah bag, and I'm going to do a video on it. I have 3 of these in different colorways, so I am going to post a video of the three that I have. Now, I'm going to start with the front pocket. I have my Nolita in the front pocket, and I went with the cherry accent with this. I had the little cherry bag charm here. My little fluffy teddy was here as well, and I used the Coach chain. So I really did like this carry. So in the Nolita, I have some of my essentials, my tweezer set, some lotion here. I have a little pencil pouch, and I have hand sanitizer, and I think I have a little highlighter and ink pen in here. So she's not going into the Lana, so I'm going to put her away. I'm just going to set her aside for a moment. And the Lana, since we're in the spring, this is a Marlowe color, so it's kind of hard to see, and I'm trying to get my lighting right here, but it's a little difficult to see. But she's a Marlowe, and I am going to go with see here, already picked it out, powder pink accessories. So I'm going to use the powder pink accessories and see how much of it I can fit in here. So I'm going to put the hand sanitizer back in here, my lotion, my manicure set. I'm not going to use this. I do have a little tissue set here, a little Barbie tissue set. Use that. And I'm going to keep my pens. Don't even know. I believe it fits in there. We'll see. We'll see if it fits in there. So that's the first item we'll swap out. And while we're doing this, I'll just go ahead and unstuff her to make life a little bit more easier. This will be the first time I'm carrying this size 23. I recently purchased the 19, which is the small. This is the medium, and I do have on order the shoulder bag, which is the one up from this. So let's see if this Nolita fits in there. I don't know. Let's see. It's probably going to be a little, well, it fits. It's a tight fit, but I wouldn't put anything else in that. So I have that in the front pocket there. All right. So I have, well, that's a little parking ticket. I don't need that. I can throw that away. I have my work phone. It is the weekend, so I'm not going to carry her with me. Hopefully, nothing crazy happens this weekend, so we won't be carrying her. And try to do this. So, okay. I don't have anything. What is this? Oops. And it's tell my husband I have his wedding ring. He lost a little weight, so his ring fell off. So he wanted to make sure that he didn't lose it. For the wallet, I use this Coach print wallet. But for it may not work because of what I just did with the Nolita, but I'm going to use the long wallet, and I'm just going to stand her up this way and see how she goes. So we're going to use the long wallet there. I also have, this is a old credit card I had to cut up because it's expired, so I'm going to throw that out. I do have my Coach key wallet. I do need that, so I'm going to stick her in there. I use the cherry sunglass case, but I'm not going to have room for that, so I'm just going to probably carry my sunglasses just in there. But for right now, I'm just going to stick her in the crook of the side right there. And I have another receipt here. Let's see what this is for. Oh, we went to a restaurant in Durham, North Carolina called Lee's Eat Soul Food. It was pretty good. I had the whiting fish. It was good. The strap was in here, so I'm going to keep that. So I have emptied the front and the middle section. I do have this little pouch, and I have some little goodies in here. Let's see what we can do. We have this pill pouch, mirror pill pouch here. And then I have my agenda, Louis Vuitton agenda. So that's all that I had in the inside. Of course, I'm not going to carry this in the Lana. I do have a little notebook because I want to carry something to write with. So this little sparkly notebook will sit her. And I got I love these little things, paperclip holders. So if it doesn't fit this way, I'll just move it to the top of the page if I'm going to go that way. So I'm going to stick her up here. Well, this is the front of the bag. Let's see if we do it like this. Super cute. Then for this pouch, how about if I try this powder pink zippy and corner zip to see what I can transfer, sunglasses, from this pouch into here. I already have a moisturizer lotion in the Nolita, so I'm going to just leave this out for now. And it does take up a lot of room. I have some floss picks. I'm going to keep those in there. Have a little perfume oil in there. And then I have some keys, which I think I have another solution for that. And then that's just a little Coach card for this. So I'm going to put her aside too because we're not going to carry her. And we are going to carry this mini Rowan. And I'm going to swap her out for the mini Rowan that I had on this bag. So I'm going to unlatch her. There we go. And I had in here Fenty lip gloss. And my AirPods. I'm going to see if my keys fit in here. Extra keys. Yep, they fit in there too. So all of that we are going to put in the mini round. Isn't she so cute? I love this little bag. Didn't think I would like it so much. Now, the challenge I do have with it is the latch. You have to carry it this way, and I do like to carry it this way. So my solution is, let's see if I have it available. I think I have it. I have it. I have a solution that works for me. So I use these. What do you call these things? I don't know. They're some kind of keychain, and I just swap out the ring and use this to hang it this way, and then I'll just hang it on the side of the bag that way. That way it stands up straight. So we have that. And then we have everything in the corner zip. And I'm going to stick that in here too. Put a chain on that. Don't need this because I have a little notebook, so I'm not going to use her. I do have a peel case that I'm going to drop in here as well. So this is what we're looking like. I don't have the, let's see. Now I do like this. I haven't filled the wallet yet. I am going to use it. The one thing about why I like this wallet with the Marlowe is, although it's not a perfect match, I love how that popped the inside of this wallet. It just coordinates with the Marlowe here, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty to see that. It just reminds me so much of spring. That's why some of these colors, you see them and you may think that they're more of a fall or a winter color, but if you accessorize it with more of a spring summer color, you can wear your bags throughout the seasons, and that's what we're doing here. I'm going to actually move my keys to the inner pocket that we have here. I don't know if it fits in there because they're kind of fat. Let's see. Yeah, it'll go down in there. Plenty of room. Okay. And then now I'm going to put my wallet back in here. Let's see. I think for this one, I probably would do better with a shorter wallet. But for now, we're gonna leave it like that. I have my little Coach chain here, like this little, has some charms on it. You can see it. A little Coach perfume bottle, little heart with some pink colors in it, a Coach tag, and the breast cancer heart. So I do like that on the wallet, so you can show that way. And let's see, to dress her up, maybe I'm thinking I may, let's see, I can put this on the side here, like that, like so. The little bunny, little white fur here. And I do have this Coach bandeau that has some beautiful pink colors in it that I can, I'm just gonna tie just a regular bow on it. I'm not gonna get all fancy. And sometimes I just do a knot and call it a day. And let's see, kind of like a little blouse here. Let's see. I want a bow, I want a bow, I want a bow. My bow is not coming out like I want to, but if I fuss with it a bit, it'll get better. So for that. Okay, you get the gist. So now this is the strap to the bag. Let me just detach that for a moment. I do have that on here. Take that off because I will carry her top handle, and this is what she looks like. Of course, I have to do something a little better with that bow. I think I might keep that one in there. Looks like when I had the strap around, it was okay. Now my wallet could fit in there because it wasn't fitting before. Okay, good. And get my Nolita in there. All right, so that's what it looks like with all of that in here. I do like the open concept where I can get to things, and generally if I'm using the pouches, I'll have them kind of unzipped so I can get in and out of them as well. But this is my carry. This is how I will be carrying her for a couple of days with my little Nolita here. And she definitely holds a lot. There's a couple of other things I have in here, but I'm not. I normally carry a little card wallet, and I may still use this because I do like to carry like my most used cards, so I'm not pulling my wallet in and out. So if I'm going to carry that, I'll just put it in the middle so I can access it really easy. Let's see. Glasses from on top. You see how that is? All right, so there we are. We are ready with Lana, and we are going to carry her and give her her turn and her time in the spotlight. See if you can see the full. Oh, there's my light. All right. Thank you all for joining. If there's anything else that you would like to see or know about this video, just let me know, and I'll definitely put it in the or reply to your comments. Thank you for joining. This is Mrs. DLC signing off. Bye now.